Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the category wise cutoff for home state and other state for the branch CSC, IT and EC for all the triple ITs of India. Along with this, I will discuss their average package, highest package, fee structure. So, to get all this information about this all triple ITs, watch the video till the end, and if you have any doubt do ask in the comment section, and if you are first to my channel subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also, and please share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. And for many such videos check the I button as well as the description box. So let us start today's video. With triple IT Guwahati, the general category CSC cutoff goes to 22,000 and EC cutoff goes to 31.5 thousand. For OBC, the CSC cutoff is 8,000 and EC cutoff is 12,000. That is OBC category rank. And for SC, CSC cutoff is 6,000 and EC cutoff is 7,000. For ST, the CSC cutoff is 3,000 and EC cutoff is 4,000. And the college have an average package of 12 lakh per year and the highest package is 56 lakh, and the fee for this college is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next triple IT is triple IT Baroda. The CSC cutoff for general category goes to 28.5 thousand and for IT it is 30.5 thousand. The college have CSC and IT branch, don't have EC branch. So for OBC, the CSC cutoff goes to 12,000 and IT cutoff goes to 13,000. For ST, CSC cutoff is 7.5 thousand. For IT, 8,000. For ST category, the CSC cutoff is 4,000. For IT, 4.5 thousand. And for EWS, the CSC cutoff is 4,000 and IT cutoff is also 4,000. The average package for this college is 11 lakh per year, highest package 36 lakh per year, and the fee is 1.7 lakh per year. Now talk about the next triple IT, that is triple IT Sonipat. The CSC cutoff for general category goes to 21,000 and IT cutoff is 26,000. For OBC, CSC cutoff is 10,000, IT cutoff is 12,000. And for SC, the CSC cutoff is 6.5 thousand, IT cutoff 8,000. For ST, the CSC cutoff is 4,000, IT cutoff is 4.5 thousand. For EWS, the CSC cutoff is 3,400 and IT cutoff is 3,600. The average package for this college is 8 lakh per year and highest package is 40 lakh, and the fee is very less, that is 70,000 per year. Now talk about the next triple IT, that is triple IT Pune. Cutoff for this college is here, you can see the CSC cutoff for general category 24,000 and EC cutoff is 30,000. OBC cutoff 10,000 for CSC and EC 13,000. For SC 6,000 for CSC, 8,000 for EC. And for ST 3,000 for CSC, 4,000 for EC, and EWS 3.5 thousand for CSC and 4.5 thousand for EC. The college was established in 2016, so there is no data for average package and highest package as the first batch is yet to pass. So, and the fee for this college is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next triple IT is triple IT Kota. The CSC cutoff for general category is 23,000, for EC 31,000, for OBC CSC cutoff 10,000, EC 12, SC 6,000, EC 7,000, for ST 3,000 for CSC and 4,000 for EC. For AWS 3.5 thousand for CSC and 4.5 thousand for EC. and the average package is 8 lakh per year, highest package 40 lakh per year. Fee for this college is 2.3 lakh per year. Now talk about the next triple IT, that is triple IT Kottayam. The college have only one branch, that is CSC. For general category cutoff 33,000, for OBC 12,000, for SC 8,000, for ST 4,000, for EWS 5,000. The average package is 6 lakh and highest package 10 lakh. The fee for this college is 1.35 lakh per year. Now talk about the next triple IT, that is triple IT Nagpur. The CSC cutoff for general category is 31,000 and EC cutoff 35,000. OBC cutoff for CSC 12,000, EC 13,000. For SC, CSC cutoff 7,000, EC 8.5 thousand. For ST, the CSC cutoff is 3.4 thousand and EC cutoff 4,000. For EWS, the cutoff for CSC goes to 4.4 thousand and EC 5,000. The fee for this college is 2.25 lakh per year. The college was established in 2016, so first batch is yet to pass. Now the next triple IT Karnal. The CSC cutoff for general category goes to 33,000, IT 36,000, OBC CSC 12,000, IT 13,000, SC category CSC 7,000, IT 8,000, ST category CSC 4,000, IT 3,000, EWS 4.5 for CSC and 5,000 for IT, and the fee for this college is 1.5 lakh per year. Now talk about the next, that is triple IT Surat. The general category CSC cutoff is 23,000, for EC 33,000, for OBC 10,000 CSC cutoff and EC 13,000, for SC 7,000, for KSC 8,000 for EC, and for ST category the CSC cutoff is 3.3 thousand and EC cutoff is 4,300. For EWS, CSC cutoff is 3,000 and EC cutoff is 4.5 thousand. And the average package for this college is 6 lakh, highest package 12 lakh, and fee is 1.5 lakh per year. Now talk about the next triple IT, that is triple IT Kanchipuram. The CSC cutoff for general category is 16,000, for EC 23,000, for OBC CSC cutoff 6,400, EC 8,800, SC CSC cutoff 4,400, EC cutoff 5,200, ST CSC cutoff 2,000, EC 2.7 thousand, EWS CSC cutoff is 2,400, EC cutoff is 3,400. Now the average package for this college is 7 lakh per year, highest package 22 lakh per year, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. Now talk about the triple IT Manipur. The CSC cutoff for general category is 39,000, EC 42,000, for OBC CSC cutoff 14,000, EC 15,000, for SC CSC cutoff is 8,400, EC cutoff 8,700, for ST CSC cutoff 4,500 and for EC 4,800. Now for EWS category the CSC cutoff is 5,200 and EC cutoff is 5,500. The average package for this college is 9 lakh per year, highest package 42 lakh per year. Now talk about the next triple IT, that is triple IT Tiruchirappalli. The CSC cutoff for general category goes to 21.5 thousand and for EC 30,000, for OBC 7,800 for CSC and 10,000 for EC. SC category the CSC cutoff is 4,000, EC cutoff 5,300. For ST the CSC cutoff is 2,000, EC 3,000. For EWS CSC cutoff 3,000, EC cutoff 4,000. Now the average package is 7 lakh, highest package 27 lakh per year, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. Now talk about the next, that is triple IT UNA. The CSC cutoff for general category goes to 30,000 and for IT 33,000, for EC 38,000. It has 3 branches, CSC, IT as well as the EC. For OBC, CSE cutoff 12,000, IT cutoff 13,000, EC cutoff 14,000. For SC, CSE cutoff 7,000, IT cutoff 8,000, EC cutoff 9,000. For ST, the CSE cutoff 4,000, IT cutoff 5,000, and EC 4,500. For EWS, the CSE cutoff is 4,000, IT cutoff 4,500, and EC cutoff 5,000. The average package is 8 lakh per year, highest package 15 lakh, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. Now talk about the next, that is Triple IT Ranchi. The CSE cutoff for general category is 32,000 and for EC 37,000. For OBC 12,000 for CSE and 14,000 for EC. For SC, the CSE cutoff is 8,000, EC cutoff is 9,000. For ST, CSE cutoff is 3,500 and EC cutoff 4,500. For AWS, the CSE cutoff is 4,500 and EC cutoff 5,000. Now the average package is 7 lakh, highest package 16 lakh per year, and the fee is 2.5 lakh per year. Now talk about the next, that is Triple IT Agartala. It has only one branch, that is CSE. For general category 30,000, for OBC 11,000, for SC 5,700, for ST 2,200, for EWS 4,000, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. And the college was established in 2018, so the first batch is yet to pass. Now the next is Triple IT Lucknow. The CSE cutoff for general category was 15,000, for IT 16,000. For OBC, CSE cutoff is 6,000 and IT cutoff is 6,500. For SC, CSE cutoff is 4,400 and IT 5,200. For ST, the CSE cutoff is 3,000 and for IT it is 4,000. For EWS, CSE cutoff 2,000 and for IT the cutoff is 2,500. The average package is 10 lakh, highest package 27 lakh, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. Now, Triple IT Bhopal. The CSE cutoff for general category goes to 29,000, for IT 32,000, for EC 35,000. It has also 3 branches, that is CSE, IT and EC. And for OBC, the CSE cutoff 12,000, for IT 13,000, for EC 14,000. For SC, CSE cutoff 7,000, IT cutoff 7,500 and EC 8,000. For for ST, the CSE cutoff is 3,500, for IT 4,000, for EC 4,500. For EWS, the CSE cutoff is 4,000, IT cutoff 4,500 and EC cutoff 5,000. And the first batch is yet to pass, so there is no data available for average package, highest package, but the fee for this college is 1.8 lakh per year. Now the next Triple IT is Triple IT Bhagalpur. The general category CSE cutoff is 38,000, for EC 40,000, for OBC CSE cutoff is 13,000 and for EC 14,000. For SC category CSE cutoff is 8,000, EC cutoff is 9,000. And for ST, the CSE and EC cutoff is 5,000. For EWS, the CSE and EC cutoff is also 5,000. And the first batch is yet to pass, so there is no data for average package, highest package, but the fee is 1.8 lakh per year. Now talk about the Triple IT Dharwad. The general category CSE cutoff goes to 33,000, for EC 37,000, for OBC 13,000 for CSE and 14,000 for EC. For SC 8,000 for CSE, 9,000 for EC. For ST, both the cutoff is 4,000. For AWS, both the cutoff is 5,000 and average package is 6 lakh, highest package 15 lakh and the fee is 2.2 lakh per year. Now talk about the Triple IT Kalyani. It has only one branch, that is CSE. General category cutoff goes to 35,000, OBC 13,000, SC 8,000, ST 4,000, EWS 5,000. Average package 4 lakh per year, highest package 10 lakh per year, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. Now talk about the Triple IT Sri City. The general category CSE cutoff 26,000, EC 30,000, OBC 9,500 for CSE and 11,000 for EC. And SC category CSE cutoff is 5300 and PC cutoff is 7400. For ST CSE cutoff is 3600 and EC cutoff is 4000. For EWS the CSE cutoff is 3300, for EC 4000. For the average package for this college is 8 lakh per year, highest package 42 lakh per year, and the fee is very low, that is 90,000 per year. Now talk about the Triple IT Bhubaneswar. The general category CSE cutoff is 22,000, EC 34,000, IT 26,000. For OBC, CSE 7,000, EC 13,000, IT 10,000. For SC, CSE 5,500, EC 8,100, IT 6,700. Now ST category. The CSE cutoff 3,300, EC cutoff 4,000, and IT cutoff 4,200. Now the average package is 7 lakh per year, highest package 35 lakh per year, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. Now talk about the Triple IT Allahabad. CSE cutoff for general category 7,000, for EC 11,000, for OBC the CSE cutoff is 3,300, for EC 4,000, for SC the CSE cutoff is 2,000, for EC cutoff for EC the cutoff is 3,000, and for ST CSE cutoff 1,500, EC cutoff 1,600. For EWS CSE cutoff 1,100 and EC cutoff 1,300. The average package 14 lakh, highest package 39 lakh, and the fee is 1.4 lakh per year. Now talk about the next Triple IT, that is Triple IT Gwalior. The CSE cutoff for general category 11,000, for IT 16.1 thousand. For OBC CSE cutoff 4,200, IT cutoff 7,000. For SC CSE cutoff 2,800, IT cutoff 5,000. For ST CSE cutoff 1.7 thousand and IT cutoff 3,300. For EWS CSE cutoff 1,400, IT cutoff 2,300. The average package is 12 lakh per year, highest package 42 lakh per year, and the fee is 1.5 lakh per year. Now talk about the next, that is Triple IT Jabalpur. The CSE cutoff for general category goes to 15,620 and EC cutoff 23,600. For OBC CSE cutoff goes to 5,800 and EC cutoff 8,500. For SC CSE cutoff 3,900, EC 5,750, and ST category the CSE cutoff is 2,300 and EC cutoff 2,800. For EWS the CSE cutoff is 2,800 and EC cutoff is 3,000. The average package is 8 lakh, highest package 25 lakh per year, and the fee is 1.4 lakh per year. Now talk about the next Triple IT, that is Triple IT Bangalore. It has only one category, that is general category, and the college don't have a reservation for SC category, ST category, EWS or OBC. So for general category the CSE cutoff goes to 9,000, EC cutoff 11,000. The average package 15 lakh per year, highest package 55 lakh per year, fee is 1.4 lakh per year, and the college has an NRF rank of 62. This Triple IT is better than many NITs of India. Now the next, that is number 1 Triple IT of India, that is Triple IT Hyderabad. This college also don't have a caste based reservation, that is no reservation for SC, OBC, ST, EWS. The general category CSE cutoff goes to only 1,200 and EC is only 2,900. The average package is 18 lakh, which is greater than many NITs of India, and the highest package 46 lakh per year. NRF rank is 101 and fee is little bit high, that is 3 lakh per year. So that's it about the cutoff for all Triple ITs of India. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and also share this video to your friends. Thanks.